how to delete your Google Home account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is either open your Google Home application, or you can open your home.google.com and make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the home name, and then you'll actually get into these settings where you can actually scroll all the way down. Then you can tap on delete this home. Then you can now unlink your account. Simply tap on your profile icon, then you can tap on assistant settings. From there you can actually tap on unlink third-party smart devices providers, and then from there you can delete your Google Home data. You can actually get into activity.google.com. let's just get into activity. Just like this, I've gotten into activity.google.com, and in here you can actually filter by and in here you can actually filter the search by Google Home, and then you can simply select the option delete. Then you can simply uninstall the Google Home application if you have one, or else that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Google Home account permanently.